Good morning, guys. So, who want to show me the projects you have completed? Two projects I have given. One is microservices project. Another one is make my trip application. Chaitanya Koval, can you show me? Chaitanya Koval, can you show me that?
Sir, I can share my screen.
Yamuna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi Yamuna. Please go ahead. Show me the project you have developed.
It is showing host is not allowing multiple presenter sharing.
Yamuna Raghuvardhan. Yes, I have given co-host. Now you can share it.
Yes, sir. This is make my trip application. Yeah, it is started.
I can see that.
Yeah. You can see all the book.
Okay, these are all the tickets that are booked as of now. Okay, click on book ticket.
Okay. Yeah, I'm clicking submit, sir. It is showing booked successfully, and
Yes.
I'm going to view page. See, yeah, mine is there at last.
Okay.
So another one I tried. I didn't check after that. After that. Uh, I tried this one email sending another endpoint.
Okay, with the email, it is working or not working?
That day I tried, sir. Then it was not working. After that, I didn't try it again.
Okay, can you try? I'm not sure whether I implemented that or not in the backend.
Okay. What I did is first I tried like with REST API. I tried for that one. It's not working. So for this uh, normal UI returning this one, I didn't implemented that.
Okay.
So I can check with this one.
Okay, fine. So you implemented with the REST template or you implemented with the web client?
This is REST template only, sir. I didn't implemented web client.
Okay. So I asked you to implement with the web client also.
Yes, sir. I have to do that one.
Yes, fine. What about this one, IRCTC? This one, microservices application.
Yes, sir. I did that one. You can see here Eureka Server 3. So I'm starting Eureka Server.
Yeah.
Yeah, it started. After that, I did this welcome 3 like 2-3 instances I created.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going for 8083 port number.
Okay.
Get started. Yeah, I can see one
Yeah.
microservice is up.
It
My
is running
welcome
with
3.
one instance. Can you run with multiple instances?
Yes, sir. Now I'm running on port number 8082. Yeah, it's up, I think. Yeah, it's showing two instances.
Yes.
And again, I did this grid service VN. Yeah, it's showing all the 3 microservices I have started.
Yes. Can you
Eureka
run
server.
the gateway?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, all the services
Yes,
are
fine.
up in Eureka, and I will send a request to API gateway now. Yeah, welcome and greet I can give. Yeah, Breed, in that I implemented FEN client, and that was working.
Okay.
This welcome also is working, and API gateway it should also work. I checked it was working, now it's showing some error. Yeah, this API gateway I will check it, sir. Okay, yeah. In this I implemented these headers. No, that's why I think so. Yeah, it's coming. API gateway is also working, sir.
Okay, good. Good job, Emuna. How much time it took for you to complete this project?
I haven't done this one. Make my trip I did one day, and this one I did another day. Like 2 days I took like this. Whenever class has happened,
Okay,
I was doing like that, sir.
good job.
Not at all. All the things at one time I haven't done like that.
Okay, fine. Yeah, next one, guys. So, anyone else who completed this project? Mr. Jagadish, Sripati, did you complete this project? Mr. Jagadish Sripati, are you able to complete this project? Kushbu Chaudhary, Kushbu, did you complete the project? Kavita, guys, who completed? Can you, if I call all the names, then again today class also will be cancelled. So tell me who completed and show me the implementation that you have done. Mamata, did you complete this? Sailaja, did you complete this? Yes, who completed yesterday? I cancelled the class because you people did not work on the project. So you asked for some time to complete. So I have given the time for completion. So now I'm asking how many of you completed? I'm asking how many of you completed. Dinesh completed Make My Trip. Dinesh, can you show me your project? Mr. Dinesh. Dinesh, I'm giving you co-host. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing now.
Yeah, you can show me that. You completed with REST template or with web client?
REST template.
Okay, show me that.
I'm starting application. Yeah, now it's started. So yeah, this is the home page. All the list is coming here.
Okay.
So
Book one
after that,
ticket.
it is here. Book ticket, mm, I'm submitting this. And when I'm coming to home page again, then I can see this record is coming here. So get and I implemented get and this add passenger.
Okay.
So I created these services here. I used only REST template only.
Why not web client? Why are you using REST template? I told you to try with web client.
Yeah, I will implement that also.
I asked you people to try with web client. REST template already I explained in the class. What is the new thing that you are doing here?
Same thing actually.
Whatever that you have done, which already I have done in the class, there is nothing new, right? What is the new thing that you are doing? I asked you to implement this one with web client. So whatever I have done in the class, the same thing you have done. There is no effort from your side. Where is your learning here?
Okay,
Where
I
is
will
your
complete.
learning here? Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, yeah.
Is there anything extra that you have done apart from what I have done in the class?
No, same thing I implemented here.
Yeah. So whatever I have done in the class, the same thing that you have done. Right?
I will complete today, yes.
Yeah, good. Monica, can you show me the project? Anybody? Monica Vasal. Hi Monica, can you share your screen?
Yes, Ashok sir. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Here only I have added.
Mhm.
ABC. Record has been saved here. Let me go to the. Yes, sir. Here the record has been saved.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you implemented with REST template or web client?
Yeah, REST template only I have implemented.
Kyo? Why
Uh,
REST template?
Sir, can I share my screen?
I will try it today, sir.
Okay. What about this one? Microservices
Sir,
application.
actually, I have to go through 2 lectures. Only I have gone through Saturday and Sunday lecture.
Okay.
Yeah, I will implement that.
Yeah, so you have to complete this. Guys, you guys are still behaving like students only. Whatever I have explained in the class with the REST template, same thing you are doing. So I'm expecting something extra from you. I asked you to do some analysis on the web client and I want you to implement this application by using web client. REST template मैं बताया था class पे. I have written that code line by line in the class. If you do the same thing, what is the use? Whatever I have not explained, that you have to try on your own. That is the developer job. Tomorrow in the company, whatever the requirement is coming, manager will not write the code and will not ask you to write the same thing again. Every day new task will come, you need to do the research on that. Yeah, Dinesh.
Sir, can I
Who want to share, Dinesh or Ravi?
Sir, Ravi, sir.
Ravi Kumar. Yeah, please
Yes.
go ahead.
So can you see my screen, sir? Sir, I'm using a web client, sir. Try that.
You implemented by using web client. Excellent. This is what I'm expecting. Okay.
So can I run, sir?
Yes, you can.
Sir, but my network is unstable, sir. Why is like, sir, like.
Sorry?
My network is unstable, sir, but voice is not clear, sir.
Okay, okay. You can run the application. I will check this.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Data was stored, sir, but I see. The data was stored successfully, sir. Um, Sir, I'm using web client, sir. That's right.
Sorry?
I'm using web client, sir.
Your client is working, right?
Yes, sir. Working, sir.
Yeah. Can you explain to the people how you implemented web client here?
So first of all, I can web client create an object, sir.
Can you just tell them that how you implemented web client in this project? Because everyone is doing with the REST template only. I
yes,
asked you to implement with the web client.
Searching for Google, sir. Google and ChatGPT can
Okay.
use to develop the projects.
So you have added the Webflux starter, right?
Yes, sir. Web client starter. I add the pom.xml.
And what it is on the 29 line body to mono? What does it mean?
Which one?
On the 29
Body.
body to mono. So we can
Yes,
use
same like the either we can use the array object. We can use directly. We can use some list of. We can use parameterized type reference of.
Sir, I was also seeing on the Google, so it was showing me the different option. Like on 29, he is using like body to mono. We can use the body to flux also. But I didn't understand, so I haven't. I can do it, but means if I'm not clear, so I'm not doing. Okay, I'm just trying to do some research and learning. Okay.
Okay.
So can you just brief them how you have done research and how you implemented this with the web client? Everyone is doing with the REST template. You have done with the web client.
Yes, I first and Google search and can go to the ChatGPT, sir. I try that.
ChatGPT.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The similar I have seen from the chat GPT only. So that is the reason I asked. Yeah. So when I'm searching on the Google, it was showing me like you can use the body to mono, body to flux. So I'm just trying to understand what does it. Then I will write the code. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, voice is break to me, so okay.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good job. That kind of research that you have to implement. So don't depend completely on the faculty to learn the subject. So because I will be there with you for next 2 weeks of time. After that, your course will be completed. Then what you will do once you go to the company? How you will write the code once you go to the company? Yeah. Anyone else who is facing issue with this development, microservices project development, or this Make My Trip application development? Anyone who is facing the issue with this microservices development? Or make my trip application development? Anybody needs my help in order to solve that problem or in order to complete your project? Guys, anybody facing any issue with that development? Anybody need my help? Yesterday somebody told in the group, so microservices they are not able to understand. So what is your doubts in the microservices? Any questions you can ask me? I think someone like Ishwar or someone. So they told that they are not able to understand microservices in the last 4 classes that we have explained. Guys, come on. Any questions, anyone?
Sir, I'm having one question.
Yeah, please.
So for to achieve this web client, we are adding the Webflux starter. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will give the clue. When you are using REST template, right? If you add the web starter, then you will get the REST template class in order to send a request to the provider. Okay. If you want to use web client, then you need to use a Webflux starter, and by using that web client also you can send the request. As already we discussed, if you use a REST template, it will send only synchronous request, REST template. By using web client, you can send both synchronous request as well as asynchronous request also. I have given the task how to develop a client application by using web, because REST template already I have explained in the class. I have developed that example also in front of you in the class. So along with that, I want you people to do some research on web client concept, how to develop a consumer by using web client. That is the task I have given. You got my point?
Yes, sir. So if we are adding the web client, then we can run that application with the Tomcat also and JT also.
Yes, Netty. When you use Webflux starter, it will take Netty server.
Okay,
not
so
Tomcat. Not Tomcat.
okay. So okay, what are the person which have shown just now? The application starter is started with Netty only, not Tomcat.
Yes.
Okay. But sir, like we have the web also, right? So it
If
do
you
not
are
make
using web flux now, you no need to add the web. Directly you can add the web flux.
okay.
Then it will take the netty server as a embedded server in order to run your application.
Okay, sir, got it.
Guys, come on. Any questions, anyone? So I want to know why you guys are not able to analyze that web client through internet. Why you guys are not able to implement? So what is the challenge that you guys are facing? What is the challenge that you guys are facing?
So for me, it's not challenge, sir. I did not get the time because the 7:30 I did not attend the class, and remaining time I was busy with my things, sir. Sorry, I will do that.
Okay. The remaining people, guys, remaining people, what is the challenge you guys are facing? Because a small application, hardly it will take 15 to 20 minutes of time to complete that whatever that was MakeMyTrip application. Microservice application, hardly 1 to 2 hours of time it will take to complete. But why you guys are not doing that? I'm not able to understand. Everything I have explained in the live class, and I have done the live coding. I have given the videos, I have given the source code also, but still you guys are not able to do it. You are not doing. Really you are facing challenges, or you are not interested to do it. I want to know the difference. I want to know the root cause. You guys don't have time, or you are not interested, or you don't want to do it, because it's not a big challenge to do that project. But why you guys are not doing, I'm not able to understand. Because if you are not able to do this, then there is no use of teaching the next concepts, right? So I want to teach Kafka, Redis and all. So if you don't understand this, then how you will understand that Kafka, Redis concepts? How do you understand the Kafka, Redis concepts if you are not able to do these concepts? If if you're not able to develop a simple application, then how you will understand the complex topics like distributed microservices, distributed streaming platforms, distributed cache in the microservices, circuit breaker design pattern in the microservices, security in the microservices. A lot of advanced concepts are available. So if you are not interested to practice these the basic concepts, then how you will concentrate on those advanced concepts and how you will understand them? Come on guys, I need answer.
Hi, Ashok sir.
Yeah, hi.
For me also the same thing. I didn't get time to like complete those projects because there are three courses for today, right? Like or for every day. So as well as we have a office work, so that's why we don't get the time to complete those. We will complete it as soon as possible. So.
Okay. What about the remaining people, guys?
Sir, I think from my side, yeah, whatever you are teaching, like I'm understanding and I can do that. I'm doing that.
Okay.
And recently, I think you have taken this 4 microservice classes. I'm yet to go for the 2 recording yet. So that is the reason, like I'm just going through that, and I'll be making the similar. But I understood the concept, like what is happening till now.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one question. In my project, they are using the APIM to onboard the APIs and not using the registry. They are not using any registry. So how to use this Fin client, right? So as you said, like Fin client can be used to call the services
They
through
need to
name, right?
Fian client will take the service name and Fian client will take the service URL also. You can configure anything for the Fian client. Giving the service name is recommended. If they don't have the service registry, then for the Fian client also they will give the service URL.
So the direct APIM URL, like the API hosted URL, that we can use in Fin client and call it, right, without services.
Yes, we can use that.
And how does load balancing will work then? You explain the concept of load balancing.
Then they will use the server side load balancing, not the client side load balancing.
Okay, and that will be taken care by API or is something we have to configure?
That will be taken care by the API. They will configure multiple servers. They will give the single URL for that. So PN client will hit that URL. The load balancing will be taken care at the server side.
Okay, okay. And again, this URL we can again put back into the config server, right, to dynamically pull it from the repo. Okay.
Correct.
Sir, we are using the certificates, sir, like a trust store and a key store. And in XSL also, we are storing the certificates and we are accessing the application through HTTPS. Sometimes we store the certificates in the Java security lib, sir. What is the reason, sir? Why actually?
The certification in the Spring Security, I will talk about the certificate part, sir. Why we need to
configure
SSL certificate and all that stuff, I will explain that part.
Okay, sir.
Sir, will you also cover this coin-based authentication versus like what?
Yes, sir. So we will conduct separate classes for Spring Security. This Sunday, you have a Spring Security workshop by other trainer. You attend that workshop also, you'll get the basic idea. I will also take the classes on the Spring Security for you people.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Tomorrow we are going to learn about Apache Kafka. Okay.
Sir,
Or you want me to teach web client first?
For a web client, it is in asynchronous in nature, right? So how to receive the response, right? Is it something like a message? We deal with the message like asynchronously we receive the message, or how is that?
Body to mono method is available that will take care of mapping the response into your Java object.
So internally it take care of like even though it is asynchronous,
how the REST template is taking care of converting the JSON response to Java object, same thing will be taken care by web client also. It will convert your JSON response into Java object for you. You don't need to do any mappings.
But then when we say asynchronous, right, we don't need to wait for a response, right? It will take care of it.
It will take care of that. So when you are going for asynchronous, you need to register one thread for that. So whenever the response comes, that thread will execute the logic. Okay, then tomorrow I will explain on the web client part. Today I want you to do research on this. If anybody has not completed that project, please do that. And microservice also tomorrow. Make my trip application we will develop by using web client.
Sir, we are not going to cover Fin client.
Sorry?
Fin client.
Fin client already covered, no?
Okay, okay. Sir, what is the difference between body to mono and body to flux?
Yeah, in the web client I will explain that, sir.
Okay.
Fin client I already explained with the example also, sir.
Yeah, I will go through today. The last recording.
Sure. Thank you, guys.
When we will go for REST template and when we will go for web client and VM client.
Sorry, can you come again?
When we will go for REST template and web client and VM client.
Already I gave the introduction. The REST template is only for synchronous communication. Web client is used for both synchronous and asynchronous communication.
Yeah, VM client.
Fian client for inter-service communication.
Sir, what my understanding is, REST template is used when it is a third-party URL, and Fian client is within the same application. Microservices want to connect, then we will go for Fian client. Is that correct? Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Fine, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do workout on that web client concept. Thank you, guys.